What is going on, everyone? So in yesterday's video, the last video that I put out, I told you guys about a little incident with Ken Griffin. Today I'm going to elaborate on that just a little bit. Actually, I'm going to tell you what decision I decided to go with, right? But I do want to thank each and every one of you for all of your support and all of your kind words in the comments. It's helped me make my decision, and my decision is now clear. By the way, if you're new here, maybe you're not new here, but you haven't decided on whether you're going to smash that thumbs up button or not yet, well, let me go ahead and tell you, go ahead and do that, because you're going to enjoy the content on this channel, and you're going to enjoy this video, by golly. So go ahead and do that, everyone, and then let's get right into the video. So we're going to be talking about Ken Griffin. Yeah, he wants me to stop posting videos about him, videos like this, where I allegedly, according to Griffin, well, his attorneys, I talk bad about him and also Citadel Securities, Citadel, whatever. He wants me to stop. He wants me to knock that off. Am I going to? Well, no. I've done a little bit of research, and I've found out that he's went after some other people just like me. Now, we all know that he's gone after bigger people than me, right? But he's gone after people just like me before, told them to cease and desist, or at least his legal team did. He's not going to, do any of the dirty work. And you know what those people said? They said, hey, screw you, Ken Griffin. We're not going to stop. We're going to keep going. We're determined to take you down. And guess what happened? The outcome, ladies and gentlemen, was that he just stopped sending his stupid old letters. So I think that's what I'm going to go with. And you guys helped me make that decision, because you guys have just really, y'all have been wonderful during this time. As y'all could probably tell from yesterday's video, I was a little bit aggravated, a little bit upset. Today I'm doing much better. Just wanted to update you guys. Also, wanted to give you guys another update. So we've been talking about Ken Griffin on this channel a lot. But someone that hasn't been mentioned on this channel a lot, or at least not in a negative light, is Adam Aaron. Also, the board over at AMC. I think that each and every one of those clowns deserves a video about them, or maybe several videos. So we're going to go into those clowns. We're going to get into their asses as well. They can all send me cease and desist letters if they want to. I really don't care. But we're going to discuss Adam Aaron and how big of a flimwad he is. We're going to discuss his board, and we're not only going to talk about the mistakes they made, but we're going to talk about what they did intentionally to, not only help Ken Griffin. That's number one. That's a big no-no. Number two, they did all of this while pretending to be our friends, right? Number three, where the hell are they now? They took our money and bounced, helping Ken Griffin will do what he sought out to do, right? To get us to drop the share price so that he could profit, him and his goons. He and his goons, if I may be grammatically correct or something, right? Someone correct me if that's not right. But yeah, I'm going to take the fight to him. I'm going to take the fight to all of them. And even if that means that, I'll lose everything I have, because I believe in this fight. I'm deeply devoted to this movement, just like I have been since day one. I'm going to continue doing what I'm doing. I just wanted you guys to know that. I wanted you guys to know just exactly how much I appreciate you guys. So stay tuned. I know today is going to be a short video. We're about to end it right now. But listen, it's Friday. I know you got stuff to do. I got to get to packing, because I got to leave first thing in the morning to go out of town, get some business taken care of. So, hey, I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for your kind words. Man, hey, I'm going to continue fighting the good old fight. Before you go, though, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new here, because you're going to really enjoy this content.